So this is the Breville Edge kettle. First impressions, it's very stylish, stainless steel with the on-off switch there, and a nice finish to the lid. And the lid actually comes off completely, which makes it really easy to fill. And the filter is here, and it just slides out really easily, slides back in. And also as well, this goes in the dishwasher, which I think is a really useful feature to clean it. So this kettle has 8 cups capacity, which is 1.7 litres. It's got a plastic handle, and it's got a swivel, and it swivels all the way around 360 degrees, which makes it easy for left or right-handed use. So I don't know if you can see, but in there, it's quite sunny at the moment, but there's a light bulb in there. It's an LED light bulb, and it goes from white to red as it boils. And when it's finished, the bulb stays red all the time the water's above 80 degrees, which is hot enough to make a drink. So you can see it's changing to pink. It's very quick. It's quite noisy, but it's very fast boiling. You see it's going darker. So that's just over half full. You can see how quickly that's boiling. It's almost boiled. So you know all the time that the light is on and it's red, that you don't need to reboil the kettle to make a drink because it's going to be hot enough, which obviously will save electricity as well. Also as well, after it's boiled, obviously leaving it a couple of minutes for safety, but this part of the lid doesn't actually get hot at all, although you do need to be careful about this part, which gets hot. So there you go. It's actually a really nice kettle. I think it would probably suit any kitchen, and very useful.